Hi everybody. Now I am going to tell personality development. Personality is the unbroken series of successful gestures. Always be a better version of yourself. To improve our personality, we have to follow some things in our life. Always be positive. Life had both the things, positive and negative. Choose the positive and avoid negative. Will be succeed in our life. Passionate. If anything comes, we have to finish that one with a great passionate and keep 100% effort and effort to finish that work. Then only we can achieve our goal. Emotions. Human life had both the shades, happiness and sadness. One thing we want to notice, always we should balance both the things equally. Sometimes sadness happens in our life, but we have to convert that sadness to happiness. Share things and care things. Whatever you know, better to share with others and gain things from others. Evaluation. Take feedback from others, relatives, friends. It helps to avoid mistakes. We can progress easily. Be fighter. If anything happened in our life, we should be in positive manner. Don't scare. Be brave. We should fight with that problem. And we have to succeed. Patience is the best secret of success. Whatever happened in our life, we should follow patience. Time solves all the problems. Last but not least, for to improve our mental ability and physical ability, we have to practice yoga, pranayama and meditation. By practicing these things, we can improve our mental and physical abilities and positiveness also. Thinking improves, positiveness improves. We are the best persons in this society. Coolness improves. Everything we take smoothly, handle with care. That improves. Communication skill is most important part in personality development. Always be happy. By using some words, think twice or thrice. Communication skills with lovely, softly, do that one. Don't use negative words and harsh words. We should not hurt anybody. we have attitude in our life to improve positiveness, self-confidence, and to personality development. Always build positive attitude. Voice modulation is also most important in this. The conveying capacity. Whatever we are presenting, that should reach opposite person. Skills. What are the skills we are having? Better to improve that one. Never fear. Always be enthusiastic and energetic. Knowledge. We should improve our knowledge by reading books, reading newspaper, following social media, and gain knowledge from elders and from well-wishers. That helps to lead our life in a positive way. Always be positive, passionate, and energetic. Attitude is most important. Better to make a habit of writing diary. From that, we can notice our daily activities, how it was going. Tomorrow, what we have to do. For that, we can make planning, preparation, and presentation. That is the best way to improve our ability, skills, and personality development. If we apply all these tips in our life, we'll get positive energy. We are the best person in this society, and we can change others also by applying this. If you like this video, please follow this one.